If you want to download courses on Whop, the first thing you need to know is that Whop does not offer a universal download button for every course video. Most content on Whop is designed to be streamed inside the platform, which helps protect the creator's material and keeps access tied to your membership. So if you've been looking for a simple download option, the key is to check whether the creator has actually allowed offline access for specific files or resources. In this video, I'll show you the proper, platform-friendly ways to access course materials, what to look for inside your member hub, and how to contact the creator if you need offline support. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Whop and log into the account that has access to your course. Once you're signed in, open your member hub or dashboard and enter the course or community page you want to access. Inside Whop, look carefully through the available app modules or tabs. In many cases, creators organize course assets into sections like lessons, resources, downloads, or files. This is the most important place to check, because if a creator wants you to save something locally, they usually place it in a files or resources area instead of the standard streaming lesson player. If you see a tab labeled Files, Resources, Downloads, or something similar, open it and review the available content. You may find PDFs, slide decks, worksheets, templates, or even video files that the creator has intentionally made downloadable. Now, here's the key part. Only download items if the creator has authorized it. If a file is available for download, there will usually be a clear download option in the context menu or next to the file name. Select the item, open the menu if needed, and click Download. Depending on your device, the file may save directly to your Downloads folder or open a save prompt asking where you want to store it. If the download option is not visible, that usually means the creator has not enabled offline access for that particular material. In that case, don't try to force it through browser tricks or unauthorized tools. The safest and most reliable approach is to use the tools Whop and the creator have already provided. If your reason for needing offline access is legitimate, such as unreliable internet, travel, commuting, accessibility needs, or limited field connectivity, the best next step is to contact the creator or support team directly. From your Whop dashboard or inside the community sidebar, look for the native chat option or support ticket area. Open that and send a polite message explaining your situation clearly. For example, you can say that you're having trouble streaming consistently and would like to know whether downloadable resources, private links, PDF versions, or alternative viewing options are available. Many creators are happy to help and may already have a downloadable workbook, a slide deck, or a private resource link they can share with eligible members. If you do receive a downloadable file, save it somewhere easy to find, like a dedicated folder for your Whop courses. That way, you can keep everything organized and access it later without hunting through your downloads list. Also, remember that even when a file is downloadable, it may still be protected by the creator's terms, so use it for personal learning only and avoid redistributing anything that belongs to the course owner. The important takeaway here is simple. On Whop, course downloads depend on what the creator has enabled. Some materials can be downloaded from the Files or Resources section, while other lessons are meant to be streamed only. If you need offline access, the proper solution is to check the downloadable materials first and then message the creator for accommodations if needed. That's the cleanest, safest, and most effective way to handle it. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.